Let me take them out of the air fryer. Do you hear how crispy? Delicious crisp. They're so healthy. Looks so good. Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Brussels sprouts in my Ninja Crispi Pro glass air fryer. What we need is fresh Brussels sprouts. I already washed them before making the video. For my seasonings, I'll be using olive oil, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, but of course feel free to use any seasonings you like. I'm going to remove the bowl from the air fryer. This is a large 6-quart glass bowl, so I'll just be seasoning the Brussels sprouts directly in this bowl, and I'm going to prepare them now. So I'm going to cut off the ends. So just cut them off at the root only to get rid of that brown part. And I will cut them in half. And I can even cut halves into quarters. Usually smaller pieces are better for air frying. So now the Brussels sprouts are prepared. I don't know if you noticed, but the larger ones I cut into 4 pieces, but the smaller ones into halves. So you just want them to be approximately the same size. So now let's season them. So I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil and sprinkle it with my seasonings. Here's salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And now let's toss it so it's coated with oil and seasonings. And let's put the bowl in the air fryer. And I will turn on the air fryer. And I'm going to use the air fry mode. And I will set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the bowl and let's stir the Brussels sprouts so they cook evenly. Look how good they look. So nicely brown. So we just stir them so the bottom ones get a chance to brown like that as well. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at these roasted Brussels sprouts. They look amazing. So nicely brown and perfectly cooked. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Do you hear how crispy? Delicious crisp. They're so healthy. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying them. I love roasted Brussels sprouts. Let's try it. So delicious. They're tender yet still crisp. Perfect texture for roasted Brussels sprouts. And they get this deep roasted flavor that's made possible with this air fryer so quickly and easily. The air fryer does all the work. So if you want to get more vegetables into your diet, this is a perfect way. So yummy. They're like those fancy Brussels sprout appetizer in restaurants. They're so crispy. Well, you get the same thing done here without deep frying. You will love it. Please subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for other easy air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!